So today I'm going to show you how to do Bantu knots without twisting the hair first. So there are different ways you can do Bantu knots. What I'm going to do first to secure the hair. So if this is your hair, to make it smooth at the base, you can put some gel. And after putting some gel, you can take your rattle comb and just work the gel in on each section. You can actually section the hair into different patterns. I just did the classic square pattern, as you can see. So I'm just going to take my rubber band and secure the hair. So you don't have to use a rubber band, but if your hair is silky or if your hair easily comes unraveled, you can try using a rubber band. So okay, so the hair is secure right now, you can see. So what you do is you take the hair like this and then you begin to roll. So we're just going to roll the hair. Now the tighter you roll the hair, the smaller the knot is, the Bantu knot is. The looser you roll the hair, the fatter the Bantu knot is. You can also add hair extension to make your Bantu knot look bigger. So I'll show you how to do that in another video, but today we're just using the hair itself. So I'm going to make this a little bit looser, and once you're rolling, what you're going to do is that you're going to roll it under like this, okay? So you're rolling it underneath and you're taking the hair and you're rolling it under, okay? So you just keep on rolling it under and rolling it under. And once you roll it under, you can take another rubber band and secure it. So now you see, because the hair is not a lot of hair, you see the knot looks pretty small. It's not a big knot at all. Okay, so this is how to do a simple Bantu knot. So next we're going to do a Bantu knot with extension, just to give the hair a little bit of volume. So as you can see, I've sectioned the hair away and I've detangled the hair really well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my rubber band again and I'm going to use that to secure the hair. Okay, so let's just secure the hair that we're working with. So after securing the hair, you're going to grab your crochet hook. So you're going to need a crochet hook for this style. And then you're also going to need your hair extension. So I'm not using this whole hair extension. I'm just going to divide this into half, depending on the size of my Bantu knot. And then I'm going to split this into half like this. Okay, to make it easy for me to loop my Bantu hair through. Okay, so this is the hair extension we're using. I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it through the base of the hair and then take my hair extension. So you notice that the hair extension is quite big. So to make it a little bit smaller, you're going to turn it like this so that you can hook it in. So once you turn it like that, you'll be able to hook the hair in and pull it through. Once you pull it through, just remove your crochet hook and just pull only half of the hair through like that. So once that is done, what you can now do is you can now get started with creating the loop. What you're going to do is you're going to take your brush and you're going to blend your hair with the braided hair. So we're blending it together to make it look seamless. Once you do that, you're now going to do the same thing that we did over here, and you're going to start wrapping and rolling. Okay, make sure you're smoothing it as you go so that you don't have any bunching up. You're going to roll it. So just take it and roll like that. When you start rolling, you want to start turning it, roll underneath the base. Okay, so there are different methods as you're rolling it. You can roll it underneath the base so that it lays flat on the base or flat on the scalp, or you can just roll it upward. So I'm rolling it so that it's laying flat on the scalp. So keep on rolling it. Keep on rolling it. So as you roll it, you see how it's sticking out like a knot. So keep on rolling it and roll it to the very end. Almost like an ice cream swirl. So I'm just rolling it. Okay. And you roll it to make it a little bit tighter. You roll it. So the ends of the hair, because I'm not going to use a rubber band, the ends of the hair, you can just tighten it up a little bit. That will secure the knot so that it doesn't come off, and just roll it tightly underneath. You notice when you roll it tightly underneath, it helps secure the knot and the knot doesn't come off. Now, if you are scared that the knot is going to fall off, of course, you can always grab 2 rubber bands at this point and use the 2 rubber bands to just secure the base like that. Go again and secure. Be very careful when securing it so that your knot doesn't come off. So these are the 2 ways to make your Bantu knot. If you use your own hair, it might be smaller. You can always wait, do this on damp hair, let it dry. Once it dries, unravel it, and you get the most beautiful curls. So hope this helps you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.